right, this is I'm back out here. It's reading. I'm back out here, and I'm gonna start off slow. So I want to start off with 1721, 2400 kV 4S challenge. I'll post the rules and everything at the end. But that's what this is. This is reading. It's reading. All right, let's see what I can do. I ain't got no traffic right now. I forgot to put the little red lights on so I can see it, huh? Very hard to see this far. I think it's lined up. I look clear. There's a 4S pass. Castle 1721, 2400 kV. I can bring it back. I got a car coming with no lights on. Trying to bring it back. Let's see what it did. See what it did. Oh. Is it gonna connect? Won't connect. Oh, Castle 1721, 2400 kV 4S challenge. It's having, I guess it don't want to connect. It don't matter. I got two other GPSs on here. So even if it did, even if that one did act up, I got some more. So let's see what it did. My K.O.C be acting up sometime. Looked like it did 110. That's what it looked like. This thing is acting up like usual. I do have a Garmin on here, so the Garmin say 110. So we're gonna start this challenge off with the 110 miles per hour. Castle 1721, two 4S batteries, red, going into red, black into black. I would like for everybody to participate in this challenge. At the end of the challenge, there will be one winner. That winner will get a crystal trophy with their name on it. It's custom made. I'll put a picture of what it would look like, you know, up here on the video, you know. And if there's somehow become a tie, we'll just have a runoff. We'll run the challenge for 2 months. So the challenge ends September 18th. I think that's a Sunday. On September 18th, I believe that's a Sunday. So let's go to my calendar. September 18th will be the last day of the challenge. So it'll be a challenge run for 2 months. I'll put the rules up so you can see the rules, and let's see, you know, we can get everybody to participate in the challenge, have some fun, and see what's going on. I want to start off slow because I'm back out here running, but I don't want to to try to jump straight into 8S since it's been so long. So I decided I'd try to start this challenge and see if I can get some people to participate in the challenge with me. And, you know, and let's see if we can have some fun. It used to be challenges all the time. Now nobody even have any no more. So I thought it'd be a way for me to get back into the game. You know, try to start up a challenge. You know, get everybody to participate, have fun, and see what kind of numbers we can pull out this K.O.C 1721 2400 kV motor on 4S, and it has to be a 7-scale car. I post all the rules up. It's just basic rules. Gotta show your GPS, show your batteries, you know, GPS, your batteries, you know, and zeroed out, that kind of stuff. So there you go, they go the wires, you know, just stuff like that, the basic stuff. Oh, and you got to bring the car back, no excuses, no crashes don't count. You know, and that's 5 wires on there. Yeah, and you got to mention this challenge on your video so I know that, you know, they're participating in the challenge and the run is for the challenge. So, and this thing is still not connected. Jesus Christ, this thing is broke. I have a GPS on this Garmin. I also have a on the Garmin and the GPS on this GoPro. So when this one act up, I got backup GPSs. So thanks for watching. I would love for everybody to participate in the challenge that has a 1721 2400 kV motor and has a 7-scale car. I'm sure everybody has this, so, you know, we can get a lot of people to participate in the challenge. We can have fun, you know. And at the end, September 18th will be the last day. At midnight, it'll be over with. I'll post the winner up. I will be posting a list up on Facebook, and in the Arrma pages, on the Arrma pages, Castle pages, and the RC 100 mile per hour club page. I'll be posting lists up every Monday, you know, with where people at on the list, you know. So, and we can keep it going. Gotta be careful out here and get this challenge going. So hopefully I can get everybody to participate, you know. Oh, if you win and you out the country, we're gonna have to work something out. I don't know about shipping the trophy out of country. You know, the trophy, you know, as well as you're gonna ship it anywhere in the United States. The trophy is being custom, it'll be custom made, so the trophy won't be ordered until, you know, to the end of the challenge, because I'm gonna put the person name on it who won, you know, and stuff like that. So it won't be, I have to order it. It's custom ordered. So of course I'm trying to win. I ain't gonna win with 110, I know that, so I'm gonna have to do better than that. But this is just, you know, a start for the challenge. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Please participate, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.